this little thing should go always on the hinge side, because that's important before you cut it. Measure. Very important, after cutting you need to clean this one, because it's gonna affect closing and opening. Just take a little knife and clean off the edges. You also need to make sure this end cap is on there and it goes flat with this one. See? Flat. And there are 2 screws already installed there, which you just have to screw it on. Also, very important thing, don't let any rubbish in there. Make sure everything is cleaned up so this one sits flush. Bring it flat here, flat there. That's it. Now we take a screwdriver and then we don't want to use the drill, just a little bit. I'm gonna put a tiny bit longer screw here. Screw is too small. Not too much, because it's gonna be a problem.